Hello guys, in this quick video I will show you how to get Blender 3D for free, any version. What you have to do is go to builder.blender.org, and this is the website where the Blender Foundation is like twice a day uploading different versions for different platforms of the software. You can see that you have like stable versions, beta versions or alpha versions, and you have Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And so you just have to choose your platform. Like I'm using a Mac and I'm using a M1, so I have to choose the Apple Silicon, and I want the stable version, and I select it, and that's it.